Welcome. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to troubleshoot and fix common Gcash installation issues. If you are unable to install or download Gcash, don't worry, we'll guide you through some solutions. First and foremost, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt the download or installation process. Next, let's clear your device's cache, as a cluttered cache can sometimes interfere with app installations. On your Android device, navigate to Settings, then go to Apps and Notifications. Find Gcash in the list of apps, tap on it and select Storage and Cache. Finally, tap on Clear Cache to free up space. If you are using an iOS device, the process is a bit different. You would need to uninstall the Gcash app and then reinstall it from the App Store. This effectively clears the cache and provides a fresh start for the app. Now let's make sure that you have the latest version of Gcash installed. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store and go to My Apps and Games. Check if there are any updates available for Gcash and install them if there are. For iOS users, open the App Store and navigate to the Updates tab. Look for Gcash in the list of apps with available updates and proceed with the update if necessary. If you are still facing issues, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Gcash app. On Android, go back to Settings, Apps and Notifications, Gcash, and this time select Uninstall. On iOS, simply touch and hold the Gcash app icon until it starts to wiggle. Tap on the X mark that appears on the app icon and confirm the deletion. Then download and install Gcash again from the Play Store or App Store. Sometimes incorrect date and time settings on your device can also cause installation problems. It is a good idea to check that your device's date and time are set correctly. Lastly, a simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches that might be hindering the installation. So try turning off your device completely and then turning it back on. If you have tried all these steps and are still unable to install Gcash, don't hesitate to reach out to Gcash support you can chat with a Dish representative directly through the app's help center or call their customer service hotline at 2882 or 0915 778 7958. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.